Hello guys, welcome back again, and today I'm going to share with you another Faucet website. You can claim your free Faucet from that website. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, let's get started. And this is the website link available in description. This website pay you Litecoin, this much Litecoin every 5 minutes and 25 times claim per day. Okay, if you have Faucet pay account, you can claim your Faucet. If you don't have Faucet pay account, link in description. Okay, go to deposit the copy Litecoin wallet address link and come here down. This is the Litecoin wallet address link, and come here and just paste it your Litecoin wallet address in here. Okay, just I come down and just click login, just come down and just solve this little capture. This is very easy way you can earn. Just this website pay you train, just click the trains and just click next. Okay, the trains. Okay, I think it's done. Okay, just click claim again. This one is a 5, V is a 5, and this one is IX is 9, 1, and V triple I is 8, and just click claim. This website pay you instantly in your Faucet pay account. This is very easy. You can claim 25 times claim per day. Okay, you can see I have the withdrawal from the website. This website pay you 100%. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Bye bye for now.